The Canvas email feature allows you to email your teachers from right within your dashboard. So right now we're in first grade course, and you can see on the left side there is an inbox, and from in your inbox you can go to your favorite courses. We're currently in the third grade course. This is our inbox, as you can see, and there's a feature here to compose a new message. You're going to send it to, and it'll give you the options, teachers. You'll choose the teacher you're going to send it to, type in the subject, and your teacher will receive your message and be able to respond to you, and you will see the message, any responses in your inbox. You can also go back and look to see what messages you have sent, and you can see there's the message I just sent, any messages that are unread. So you can communicate from within Canvas as well as through the Outlook that all students will be getting through their Microsoft account. For the older students, they can use either their Outlook or they can email right within the Canvas, which is a nice feature.